Sayakani Ghosh from San Ramon just hit a pothole and blew a huge hole in her tire. This guy's car started dying on him in the middle of Highway 24. Kyle Wilson's car hit a deer, and now he's in serious danger on Highway 13. All three people are about to be rescued by this man, Uriel Macedo, from the Freeway Service Patrol.
Hello, ma'am. I noticed you have a flat tire over there.
During any weekday rush hour on virtually every Bay Area highway, up to 76 drivers, including Uriel, are out looking for you in case your car breaks down. The Freeway Service Patrol helps over 100,000 people a year, and it's free at the time of service.
If you need a jump start, a flat tire repair, or a free gallon of gas, the FSP drivers have you covered.
Basically, we say, don't call us, we'll find you. Most of our FSP drivers are able to find stranded motorists in an average of about 10 minutes because they're constantly roaming up and down the Bay Area freeways looking for incidents.
MTC has managed the Bay Area FSP program with Caltrans and the CHP for 30 years to reduce highway backups caused by disabled cars, lower the number of additional accidents caused by disabled cars, and to improve highway safety and air quality.
I was just kind of off the, like on the shoulder. So just for the safety, my safety, he just brought me over here.
Yeah. Did you ever use the Freeway Service Patrol before?
No, this is the first time.
Did you know anything about it?
No, he just showed up. Yeah, that was great.
It's not easy getting into the Freeway Service Patrol.
So this is what we call proficiency testing, and before a driver can do the program, they have to pass proficiency and our certification class. So the course has three components to it. The first part is the slalom. So they have to navigate the slalom while they have a car in tow. And then we've got the turn box and the back end. We want the A students of tow truck drivers.
Uriel Macedo, husband and father of three, is one of these A drivers. He's been rescuing people for the FSP since 1997.
Oh, I love it. Help people and feel that satisfaction when they say thank you and So I love that. Oh, flat tire. I tell you what, I'll change your tire for you, but I'm gonna need you to move it up ahead where it's a little wider, and I'll change it for you over there. Here it's pretty dangerous.
CHP officers shadow the FSP drivers.
So we have 4 officers out on the road every day, specifically helping with the FSP program.
$1 per year from your car registration helps pay for the program.
It's money well spent. It's a good investment.
I'm always keeping an eye on the traffic. When I'm doing something, just checking, looking.
Uriel Macedo changes Kyle Wilson's tire in 1 minute 50 seconds.
It's like a NASCAR pit crew right here.
But it was a huge help that I would say when the person came up and said, I'm here to help you and tow you to the next exit. He's a hero today for me.
76 heroes every rush hour on congested highways in the Bay Area. Watch out for them. They're watching out for you. On Beat 1, Mark Jones reporting.